In a vast, open sky, two birds of prey, the vulture and the eagle, lived side by side. The vulture was known for his scavenging ways, always picking at the remains left behind by others. He was content with this life, never wishing for more. The eagle, on the other hand, soared high above, hunting with precision and pride. He admired the vulture's resilience but yearned for the thrill of the hunt. One day, the eagle decided to teach the vulture the art of hunting. He showed him how to spot prey from great heights, how to swoop down with speed and accuracy, and how to make a kill with a single strike. The vulture watched, his eyes wide with excitement. He tried his best to mimic the eagle, but his clumsy attempts only resulted in missed opportunities. Frustrated, the vulture returned to his old ways, content once again with scavenging. The eagle, though disappointed, understood that not all birds were created equal. One day, a terrible drought came upon the land. Prey became scarce, and the eagle found himself going hungry. He remembered the vulture, who, despite his clumsy attempts, had still learned something from him. The eagle flew to the vulture, hoping to find a meal among the carcasses the vulture had scavenged. To his surprise, he found none. The vulture had been picked clean, leaving nothing for the eagle. The eagle realized then that there was a time and place for everything. While he admired the vulture's resilience, he realized that he too could learn from the vulture's resourcefulness. From that day on, the eagle and the vulture lived in harmony, each appreciating the other's strengths. The eagle learned to scavenge when necessary, and the vulture learned to hunt when the opportunity arose. And so, the moral of the story is, never dismiss the value of others, for each of us has something unique to offer. We may not all be created equal, but we can all learn from one another.